Hey there, wellness warriors. Did you know that only 23% of adults in the US get enough exercise? Let's dive into the ultimate guide to a complete wellness routine to change that statistic. Welcome to our journey towards a healthier and happier lifestyle. A complete wellness routine is not just about hitting the gym, it's about nourishing our minds and souls too. Let's explore why it's crucial for our overall well-being. Presentation of problem/challenge. Setting up a comprehensive wellness routine can be challenging. Many of us struggle with time constraints, lack of motivation, or simply not knowing where to start. But fear not, we're here to guide you through it all. Exploration/development. To achieve holistic wellness, we need to focus on various components. Physical exercise is vital for our bodies, but so is proper nutrition. Don't forget about nurturing your mental health through practices like mindfulness and meditation. And of course, self-care is non-negotiable. Climax/key moment. Here's the golden nugget: a balanced wellness routine isn't just about physical health. It's equally important to prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. Remember, true wellness comes from nurturing every aspect of yourself. Conclusion/summary. Incorporating different aspects of wellness into your daily routine is the key to a healthier and happier life. So, whether it's a morning workout, a nutritious meal, or a moment of self-reflection, every small step counts towards a brighter future. Call to action, CTA. I encourage you to hit that subscribe button for more wellness tips and tricks. And hey, share your own wellness journey in the comments below. Let's support each other on this path to complete well-being. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're one step closer to your best self.